It's a $3 billion sector with 5,690 pizza and takeaway restaurants in Australia. In building this list, the standout to me was that the top 3 pizza chains account for 89% of the franchises within the niche. It has been a sector of significant consolidation in recent years, with major brands such as Eagle Boys and Pizza Capers having once been at 340 and 110 locations and eventually reduced to 127 and 32 locations respectively. Equally interesting was the fact that during the COVID crisis, I've seen reports that the pizza category actually shrunk, which surprised me. But on thinking this is likely due to many other food offers that previously weren't delivering, suddenly being stimulated to do so in the market. It'll be interesting to see how that trend plays out in the years to come as well. Domino's is going for a multi-store owner growth approach, with franchise owners currently averaging 2.2 stores within its network. This makes sense with their fortressing strategy of putting more stores closer together to reduce delivery times and be closer for pick-up orders, as the group aims to go from 2,600 plus stores at the start of 2020 and more than double that number in this decade alone. In the entire group, the Australian franchisor also owns the master rights for Domino's to New Zealand, France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Germany, and Denmark. Pizza Hut. To me as a consumer, they look to be catching back up on the ground they lost to Domino's in what seemed a digital technology-driven onslaught a few years ago. Did you know they also bought the remaining Eagle Boys stores in 2017, which previously peaked at 340 and ended up selling only 127 units remaining to Pizza Hut? Maybe growth by acquisition is on the cards for Pizza Hut going forward as well. Crust Gourmet and Pizza Capers are owned by the same company, Retail Food Group, and positioned in the gourmet pizza sub-niche. They bought those established brands in 2012, and not long since then, Pizza Capers has been in decline. Amongst many in the sector, it was thought buying both was an odd choice for RFG, and it always seemed that one brand was going to be the loser of the two, with one surging ahead of the other eventually. You'll note on the list that a number of the other companies that are bringing up the rear in the top 10 as far as numbers go are more diverse in food range, being pizza and pasta offers to the market. Of those outside the top 3, I thought that Bubba Pizza was interesting. I don't think I recall noticing the brand before, and if I did, I would have probably assumed it was just a US brand with that name. But it is a Melbourne-born brand that is positioning itself as a family-owned and operated franchise and appears to be doing some innovative things in the market. And that's it for a quick pizza market summary. And for more videos and content just like this and more, please make sure you subscribe at franchisebuyer.com.au and never miss a video.